Welcome to Witchful Thinking video number 2, how to play the base game. Now that we have created the cauldron and we have chosen which potion we're going to make, each player is going to draw 5 ingredient cards. So I have drawn Mummy Dust at -5, Crow Feather at +4, Dash of Magic at +W. These are wild cards and can be assigned a number from -5 to +5. Sneaky Witch. This is an action card which allows me to add 2 ingredients during my turn instead of 1. And Witch Hex. This is another action card that allows me to steal a random ingredient from another witch at the beginning of my turn. So, now that it's my turn, I need to establish what the cauldron value is so that I know how to alter the cauldron so I can make the potion card. So what we have is we have +2, -1, which is +1, +1, -3, which is -2, and -2, +1, which is -1. So for my turn, what I'm going to play is I'm going to play Mummy Dust over top of Eye of Newt. Now I need to find out what the cauldron value is. So we have +2, -1, which is +1, +1, -3, which is -2, and -2, -5, which is -7. You'll notice that changing one card in the cauldron can greatly change the outcome. Now that I've played my ingredient card, my turn is basically over. Now I have the option to discard a card from my ingredient card if I want to. In this case I won't. And then I can draw up to my hand limit, which is 5 cards. So I will draw a card, and the card that I drew is Ghost Scoop at +3. Now, let's say another player starts their turn and decides to play Dash of Magic, which is +W. Let's say he places it over top of Werewolf Fur. He's going to assign that card a value of -2. Now we have -2, -1, which is -3, -3, -3, which is -6, and -6, -5, which is -11. In this case, the cauldron value is equal to the potion value. So player 2 would receive Formula of Forever Sleep as a reward. Now that one potion has been made, we will now select a new potion once player 2 has finished his turn. So he's played an ingredient card. Now he has the option to discard a card. In this case he won't. And then he will draw a card. Up to 5 cards. And he drew Witch Spit at -1. Now that player 2's turn is over, we will draw a new potion card and see what we have to make now. We have a Drop of Wisdom at +16. And we will leave the cauldron as it is, and the game will continue. Because we have a wild card in here, this wild card was assigned a value of -2. This value cannot change. This has to be -2 for the remainder of the game, or until this card is cancelled or removed. Thanks for watching.